Hey, this is Nate. Just wanted to put this quick review together for you. This is the #1 guy that I found in Boise, Idaho for pressure washing as far as websites go. As you scroll down through the site, they have a decent layout. They don't have a ton of content on here. One of the ways that you could beat them out is through their content. With Google, content is king. We recommend about 1,500 words on this homepage and about 500 to 750 words on your back service pages. You want to get those keywords and keyword phrases that people are typing into Google organically into the content on your page. It's not the only way to be found for a particular keyword, but it is the easiest and fastest way for Google to recognize those keywords and know that your site is relevant to what people are looking for. So I did put them into one of our SEO tools here. Title tag and the H1 tag are both super important to Google. I try to keep them super simple. I like what they've done right here. They've got Boise pressure washing, and they've got a little separation line. I normally just use a dash, and then they've got their company name. That's exactly what I would do there. I might add in the abbreviation for Idaho here, but Boise pressure washing, super simple. It says where they're at and what they do, and then they've got their name in there for branding. The H1 tag, kind of the same thing. I would just do, I would do the same thing here. Just do Boise pressure washing. Keep it super short and simple. It says what you do and where you're doing it. That helps build a very clear path of communication with Google, telling them exactly where you are and what service you offer. You can set those up separately on each page. So if you have a page about roof washing, Boise roof washing, Boise house washing. Set those up on every page on your site. You do want to put your meta description in there. Get a few of those keywords into that meta description. You've got up to 320 characters. I generally try to make them around 150, 160. You don't want them super long, but you do have the extra space there if you need it. Looking here at the search, Boise pressure washing, you've got your map pack here, and then you scroll down into the organic listing. And my mouse is being funny. But this blue line right here is the title tag for all of these sites. One of the things that you'll notice that probably 90% of them are going to have in common when they're ranking on this first page is exactly what I talked about. They say where they're at and what they do. Boise pressure washing. Boise pressure washing. Pressure washers in Boise. This one does not say Boise here. It does say it down in the meta description. Power washing Boise. So you definitely want to get that set up. 90% of the guys on the first page have that in common. You want to follow suit. I also put them into another tool that we have. These are the keywords that they're ranking for and the position that they're ranking in. So they've got, pressure washing Boise. Again, it's generic. It says what they do and where they do it. Pressure washing Boise ID. Boise pressure washing. All of these are generic keywords. This right here is the total search volume for those keywords per month. So they do have the right type of keywords coming in here. You can see some of them are ranking for their main homepage. Some of them are ranking on some of their back service pages. So you want to get those keywords on every page so you can show up in multiple places. I did look up just some basic keywords, kind of maybe your top 6 here. Excuse me. We got pressure washing Boise ID, 60 searches a month. Power washing Boise ID, 50 searches a month. So I know if I dug in a little bit further, I could find more, but on this particular page, there was 6 that I could find. The rest of these are about some other stuff. We could narrow down this search by putting in some different parameters. But what I did is I just searched everything that had to do with Boise. And then up here, I wanted it to say the word wash and the asterisk, which shows, washing, washers, all that kind of stuff. And I scrolled down through and found the highest volume one that I could find was 60. So I made that one of my parameters to get rid of all the stuff that was above that had nothing to do with what we were looking for. But just wanted to give you those pointers. If you need any help, I do website design, SEO. I work mostly with auto detailing and pressure washing companies. I've owned my own auto detailing business since 2007, and I do some pressure washing stuff, mostly flat work on that. But, my main business is auto detailing and fleet washes. If somebody asks me to do their driveway or something like that, I will. But like I said, my main business is detailing. But I want to get in and start helping some of these guys, get their websites up and ranking, get their business up and going. If you need help, you know how to find me. I'll talk to you later.